up, everybody? Steve Atlas, Motorcycle USA, and we're out here at Willow Springs, otherwise known as Suzuki Land today, to try the all-new GSX R1000. Brand new, totally, from the ground up. Only thing it shares with the old bike, the gas cap. Otherwise, it's completely new. Everything's changed. BPF front fork, longer swing arm, shorter engine, first totally redesigned engine in the GSX R1000 since 2001. Way more horsepower, way lighter, and supposedly much easier to ride. So let's give it a try, see what it's all about.
Yep, you heard right. The only thing unchanged about this 2009 GSX R1000 is the fuel tank filler cap. Everything else, top to bottom, all new. So, how is it? Let's just say, it was well worth the wait. Highlighted by Showa's BPF fork, turn-in is noticeably easier with much less front-end dive. Corner exit traction from the rear is improved due to the longer swing arm, a result of a new engine which is substantially more compact. Considering we are relegated to production OE rubber, I was a bit skeptical of how valid the test at Willow Springs would be. But overall, feel and feedback from the Suzuki and the stock Bridgestone BT016 street tires was extremely communicative, allowing us to push quite hard. In fact, much harder than I had expected. Kudos to Bridgestone. But where this machine really shines is when one has the cojones to twist the right grip to the stop. Acceleration up top is massive, pulling all the way to red line with an almost evil intensity. It is, flat out, one fast motorcycle. It's hands down the best GSX R1000 ever produced, but is it the best leader bike on the planet? Stay tuned, as our Superbike Smackdown is just around the corner.